We live in unique times. For the first time in history, the challenge isn't to fill space, but to create it. We feel overcrowded and overscheduled, and we need relief. This need to create space is also a prerequisite for growth. To develop a better career and life, we need space to think, connect, do, and be. It's the foundation for better reflection, self-awareness, relationships, and productivity. To be good at what you do, you need self-awareness. Knowing your strengths and weaknesses helps you avoid problems and make better decisions. The key is reflection. Before acting, reflect on the side effects and alternatives. After, analyze what went right or wrong. But this requires 4 kinds of space: time, a suitable location, someone to talk to, and a mind open to improvement. A study found CEOs have less than 15% of their week for solitary work. If they struggle, the rest of us do too. Reflection can be tough. It might lead to unpleasant realizations about past mistakes, but it's worth it. Commuters who reflected on their day were happier and more productive. You also need a growth mindset, the belief that you can always learn more. Our brains are capable of change. For instance, one client had a deep fear of failure. By creating space to reflect, she realized it stemmed from her childhood and learned to see failure as a learning opportunity. Creating space to connect is also vital. This begins with connecting to yourself by observing your emotions. One way is a feeling check-in. Sit, breathe, ask how you feel, and rate it. This builds emotional intelligence. It helps you identify core pathogenic beliefs, hidden fears like, if I make a mistake, everything will fall apart. Many of these beliefs come from past experiences and require space to uncover. Then, you must create space to connect with others. One team missed its targets because they felt they had to be nice, which meant they hid problems. Creating a space to share meant practicing transparency and resolving issues without fear. This built safety and allowed them to take risks, learn, and perform better. A stakeholder map can help you identify which relationships need work. Better relationships lead to better leadership. For productivity, you need space to deliver. Darren, a leader who refused to set clear goals, created chaos. He felt useful putting out fires, but he wasn't truly delivering. To deliver, set a clear goal and a clear plan. When writing a book, the author planned to write 500 words a day. It kept him focused. This is different from just being busy. It's about getting the right things done. Distractions are a major problem. It takes about 10 minutes to regain focus after an interruption. To protect your space to deliver, hide your phone, turn off notifications, and find a quiet place. A useful tool is the 4D rule for your to-do list: do, defer, delegate, or drop. Only the most essential, urgent tasks go on the do list. Put the hardest task first. Delegate what others can do, and drop what's not truly essential. A good leader also creates space by empowering others. Yulia was a new CEO who would often provide the solution, inadvertently leaving no room for her team to grow. A better approach is to ask questions that allow others to discover the answers. Delegation is also a tool for growth. Don't see it as dumping work. See it as a way to develop your team's skills. Give them clear expectations on what to achieve, but avoid telling them how to do it. Finally, create space to be and to grow. Many people, like Oscar, end up in jobs that are sensible but unfulfilling. Ask yourself, what did you love to do as a child? If you had 6 months to live, what would you be doing? Work shouldn't feel terrible. It can be difficult, but it should be satisfying. This means finding a balance and avoiding burnout, which helps you plan for your ideal future. Making room for growth means making difficult choices. Every choice has an opportunity cost. To get your dream job, you might need to relocate. It's a price worth paying if it brings you closer to your purpose. A good habit is to have a weekly one meeting with yourself to check your progress and strategy. Remember, life isn't perfect. Allow for mistakes, have faith in your hard work, and create the space you need to succeed.